मेरा तो वजन ही कम नहीं होता है। आई विल डू वन थिंग, आई विल स्टॉप ईटिंग द राइस। 2 रोटी की जगह पे मैं 1 रोटी खाना चालू कर देती हूँ। अरे अब तो मैं हवा भी खाऊं तो मेरा वेट बढ़ जाता है। Are we not talking like this when it comes to the weight loss? If you are also doing all these things, then let me tell you, you are on the wrong path. So this video, I'm going to give you the simple, healthier and effective strategy that will help you to lose a weight in healthier way, and of course you will enjoy the journey. So the simple, effective and very tikau formula is that include enough amount of protein in your each meal daily. Yes, today there are so many things are going around for the protein, and we don't take of eating the protein seriously so much how much our body is required. So it is very important that we focus on eating the protein how much our body is required. So this video I'm going to tell you about the 5 things that why you should include the enough amount of protein in your diet, so that it will help you for a weight loss in an effective and a healthier way. How much of protein you need to eat in your diet every day, and which are the protein sources that you can include. The number one reason is it increases your satiety. See, when you eat only carbohydrates or processed food or only dal and chawal, what happens? Your food get digested fast and you feel hungry immediately after some time. But when you include one portion of protein along with that, it keeps your stomach full for a longer period of time. See, the protein will help you to suppress your hunger hormones, your ghrelin hormones, and it increases your feeling full hormone, that is a leptin hormones. That's the reason you feel that the stomach mein अरे खाना अभी भी है, and you feel full for a longer time, and that way it helps to control your intake of the calories. So in short, when you include the enough amount of protein in your meal, it will help you to control your calories. Number 2 reason that it helps to burn the more calories. See, when you eat any food, your body requires the energy for the digestion, and this process is called the thermic effect of the food. Now, protein has the highest thermic effect. Protein has 20 to 30% of the thermic effect. For an example, like if you are eating the 100 calories of protein, then out of this 30 calories will go in a digestion. So 30 calories will burn for the digestion, so only 70 calories will be usable. So when you increase the intake of the protein, you take enough of protein in your diet, it helps in burning your calories more effectively. The third and very important reason that it balances your blood sugar. See, having an enough of protein will not only help in the weight loss, but it will help you to improve your health conditions also. See, the main reason for the obesity is the insulin resistance. And the main reason for the insulin resistance is the constant imbalancing of sugar in your blood. So when you start eating enough of protein in your diet, your blood sugar spikes doesn't happen immediately. And that's the reason your more insulin will not be released by your body. And that helps to balance your blood sugar and insulin. The fourth important reason, it helps to reduce your craving and a late night snacking. See, many of us are having a craving of having snacks or sweets after meals, or some of us are having a habit of having a late night, snacking, getting up and eating something from the fridge. So when you eat enough of protein in your diet, your body will stop craving for the high calories food. And the fifth important reason that it helps to build the muscles and lose the fat. See, our body do all the repair work in the night when we are in the sleep, and protein helps to do the repair work for our body. It helps to build the muscles and lose the fat when we are in the sleep, when your body do the repair works. So, how much of protein we should include in our diet regularly? Ideally, you should include 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per kg of your weight. For example, like if your weight is of 60 kg, then you need to include at least 50 to 60 grams of protein daily in your diet. If your weight is 70, then you can include 60 to 70 grams of protein daily in your diet. So which are the protein items that you should regularly include in your diet? If you are a non-vegetarian, then the egg, fish, chicken, these are the best option for the protein. If you're a vegetarian, then definitely you should include all kind of dals, pulses like moong, matki, rajma, black chana, chole, beans, paneer, tofu, soya. So all these items you can regularly include in your diet. And when you include and eat enough of protein in your diet, you will see that your weight loss is happening in a very effective and healthier way. And you will not lose your health too.